Well, hello and welcome to the channel. And this channel is all about this, the log burner. Obviously it's only just been fitted. It's the Dik Geurts Soren 5, not the Ivar 5. And the reason I've gone for the Soren 5 was because of the glass. Let me show you. On the Ivar 5 you've got like a little arch glassware, but on this you've got the square glass. It makes the viewing of this absolutely fantastic. The only thing I've got, which I opened this up in COVID, and we've only just got round to getting the log burner fit now, we've got these red bricks, and what I've done with these, I've varnished them. But when I did it, it had another wall at the back. The fitter, because I only had this fit 2 days ago, the fitter knocked it a bit further and got flush right to the back. So now we've been able to move this log burner further back, been able to get a 300mm from the front to the edge of the hearth, because I'm only in a small cottage. So space was at a premium with this. So I didn't want to come a massive way out into the room. So yeah, they've managed to do it. So thank you to Gill stoves at Ilkley. Done a cracking job. The Ivar 5 is done with the arch glass. The Soren is the square glass. What can I say so far? Absolute cracking stove. The heat it throws out is unbelievable. I've been using kiln dried logs, so I haven't got a lot of space, so I can't really get a dumpy bag. So what I've been looking for, which I'll go through various videos with on this, is price per kilo. Try to get the best price per kilo possible. So I've been starting off with a few logs. The initial burn I just did in kindling, just a little kindling stack just to get it up to about 200 degrees, and then let it cool down. The next one after that, put one log on the kindling, that go up to temperature, cool down, and then did two logs, and then up. Today it's just had 3 logs on this morning, so it is coming to end of the burn now. Even though it's the end of the burn, it's still up at optimal temperature. I mean, this thing throws some heat out. Obviously got the obligatory fan. I'll link these below anyway, because the fan and thermostat came as a set, and you save a bit of money on a set, obviously off Amazon as usual, so they're on there. But the Soren 5 from Dik Geurts, it doesn't just come with a stove. The glove comes with it as well. You get a nice little box that comes in the stove. In this box we have some touch-up spray paint, so yeah, that could come in handy. We also have some glass cleaner, which I haven't had to do the glass yet, because this slide mechanism for the airflow is fantastic. Obviously I've got it on full at the minute to burn these ashes away, because what I'll do, I want to let it cool down, I want to varnish that back wall. So I'm using a heat-proof varnish as well, because I want this as natural as possible. Also in the box, which I haven't used as yet, because I'm trying to build the ash up at the bottom, we've got this nice little ash collector, which whether I use it or not, I don't know, because I've got a little portable vac that I'll probably just vac it out every now and again. As you can see around here, there's a few dust marks and splatter marks around where we've been sort of getting the initial burn set up. But the heat, like I say, the heat output of this has been absolutely fantastic with the kiln dried logs and stuff like that. The fan's still whizzing away, and it's a silent fan as well. These Valent fans really are absolutely spot on to these. But like I say, this was just the initial video, an introduction to the channel, introduction to me, and I will be going through bits and bats that I'm going to burn in this, because I've sourced some nice different types of wood as such. In a future video as well, I'll show you my little IKEA hack, what I've done to store the logs and stuff inside, because yeah, it blends in with the room, does that. I built a little log store outside, which will take quite a few logs, but again, I haven't got the room. So if you're conscious of room, check out further videos, because I'll go through the little log store IKEA hack. This is a non-sponsored channel, so everything I've got here, it is all been purchased with my own money. So yeah, we've got some fancy wood coming. That's on the next video. We have got some wood pellets as well, but not the Lector ones or anything like that, or woodlets. These are something different because the price per kilo was well down there. So yeah, I'll probably do that for the next video for you, but yeah. But please consider subscribing. Like I say, it all helps. If you enjoyed this, please do the old thumbs up. And hopefully, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.